Hello YouTube, in this video I'm trying to revive this dead iPhone 5s. It shows no signs of life. I'll be testing this iPhone in the next clip. I tried to turn on the iPhone and it shows no signs of life. And I connect a charger. It also shows no signs of life at all. This is my first attempt of me trying to remove the screws on this iPhone due to the camera quality at the later part of this clip, and also me difficulty gripping the second screw. I have reinstalled the screws off camera and retake this sequence. The retake of me trying to remove the screws once I put it back in place off camera. I use a suction cup in attempt to lift the screen up, but there is some difficulty doing it. After managing to lift the display and using a pick to pry around the screen, to my surprise, the fingerprint and home button cables are not connected to the dock connector, and there is no battery at all. This is how it looked like. Not surprised as the phone was suspiciously light. I used a multimeter to measure the battery connector to ensure they are not shorted together. I connected this phone with another display and connected the charger. It shows the Apple logo, but I will be expecting it to blue as there's no battery installed on this iPhone. I left out the screen there to show you guys there's no battery inside of this iPhone, and the screen shuts off. I installed the logic board into another body of an iPhone 5s, and it shows the Apple logo, but it shuts off with a black screen. This phone will be restored in iTunes. I did the installation off camera. It's at the middle of the first boot after the iTunes restore. I forced restart as I feel the progress was not making any progress. finally it reaches the hello screen. When I try to activate it, it shows unable to activate. Then I hit try again, and there it goes again. Unfortunately, I have realized the IMEI number on this iPhone was tampered with. I checked with some checker sites and I realized the IMEI number was actually belongs to an iPhone 5C. However, I won't be showing any check results nor its IMEI number. I consider this a failure as the IMEI number on the logic board was tampered with. I might consider rebuilding this iPhone by installing a new logic board, new screen and a new battery. So not forgetting its home button which paired to the logic board. Please support me by liking and commenting on this video, subscribe to my channel and donate to me. The links for donation is in the channel description below.